Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's video we'll start learning about tkinter. Now this is a Python library, it's free and it's come with the standard library of Python, so once you install Python it's out of the box ready for you to start using it, start building apps with it. So let's get started. The first thing you need to know is how to import the tkinter library. So we start by typing import tkinter as tk. So we import it and give it the alias tk to make it easier for us to use it throughout our code. The next step is once we import the library, well, we need to create the frame in which we will start working around. So for example, we need a window so that this window contains the other widgets that will go within this window, like text, checkboxes, and so on. So we'll create our window object, and our window will be tk.tk class. So what we are basically doing here is saying that our window is an object of the tk class, and if we run this code, of course nothing will happen because, well, we created the object but we didn't provide any instruction on how it should behave. To make it run, what we need to do is call the main loop method. So we will say window okay dot main loop. Now if we run it, we will see something is happening on the screen. We see that here's our tk application. So we have basic window, we have logo, we have title, and these are the defaults one. You can totally change them. We have minimize, maximize, and close. So maximize, of course, maximize, minimize does minimize, and closing the application will close the application. Now let's first try to change the title of the window. The way we do that, we say that window dot title, and we provide a string. So let's name it awesome app. Let's run it again and see what result we will get here. And you can see it's just my mouse is not responding very well. Anyway, here we go, awesome app. So we have our first application written in Python using tkinter, and we changed the title. We learned how to invoke the main loop method so that our application starts running. Now, this is an introductory video in this tutorial. There will be many tutorials are coming about the subject, so I will not go into any further details. I just want to show you how it's very easy to make GUI application using Python. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.